Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel, The Real Love Survival. Thumbs up from me as usual. I'm going to try and make this video as quick as possible. This is my PSK Personal Survival Kit. Now, where do we start from? I'm going to quickly start from the your right hand side with the tin. Inside the tin, I've got some writing paper, a little pencil. On the lid, just under the lid, I keep a couple of blades and a little sewing needle just in there. Okay, and you could also use the lid, if you shine it good enough, you can use it as a reflective emergency sort of signalling device. Okay, just at the top here we've got a baggie, and what I keep in this baggie is some bite relief, alcohol wipes. I've got one of these sterile saline wipes, a little gauze pad, couple of plasters, small and large, and just a little file, just a little paper nail file just to keep your nails clean, and then some silver foil. Just here I've got some Oasis water purification tablets. Now I've got the blue ones here, they run out of date, so I'm going to chuck them out. And I've got some new ones, so I'm going to put them in. That's the reason why you go through your kits. Make sure everything's okay, not expired, batteries are not dead, medication expired, etc. I did change out the paracetamol tablets. They are expired, so I put some new ones in there. Some new diarrhea tablets as well. Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do, while we're on the video, try and make it as quick as possible. What I'm going to do is put everything inside this baggie, well, the med kit that is. Let's get the plasters in there. Okay, now the reason why I'm doing it, I want to show you the video, me packing the tin as well at the same time. So you've seen my little med kit there, bite relief, sting relief, little sterile wipes there. So let me just quickly whack in the paracetamols, the diarrhea tablets, if I can get hold of it. Right, so you've got the diarrhea tablet, water purification in there as well, and I'm just going to sort of get the air out of it, whack that in the tin. Okay, some silver foil, 1 by 1, 1 foot by 1 foot. Actually, let me stick that at the very bottom of the tin right there. Move the tin over the top over a bit. Okay, just going to pack it as I go along. Okay, moving on. Obviously the pencil goes with the paper. Right, so we've got a Durex, very handy to go with the water purification. Basically you whack that in a sock and you put the water in the Durex in the sock, and it's a way of carrying water. Obviously try and get the ones that haven't got any flavours, so that can go in there as well. Ferro rod, very handy for making fires. That can go in the tin. Now, just to go along with the ferro rod, I put some electrical tape here, a little bit extra. You could put that at the bottom of the ferro rod just to give you a handle, just something to hold on to. Right, so the ferro rod can go in there. And like I said, some electrical tape, and wrapped around here some cotton thread just to make repairs. You know, so you've got the needle in the top of the tin there. It's a thread. You could put some Kevlar thread if you want. That's up to you. A little candle, handy, making fires, giving you light. I'll whack that in there as well. A little wire, a little saw, hacking saw. I just cut it in half, whack that in there. Okay, look, like I said, checking your kit. This is a whistle. I've had that for quite a long time. Never let me down. I try to blow it and watch what happens. Listen to this. I mean, it's terrible. So there you go, you replace your whistle, that goes in the bin. Got a new one right here. That's better. Right, so you whack your whistle in there as well. Whistling carries a lot further than vocals. Okay, got a couple of other little water bags here, little bags that you can use to carry water. Never have enough water carrying bags. Right, we're going on to a little fishing kit right here. Some fishing line, hooks, sinkers, swivels, weights in there as well. I hope I'm going to get everything in here. Right, little Fresnel lens, backup glasses if you can't see that good, making fires. Okay, now really I should have put that in the bottom. Let me just squeeze that right down the bottom there. How we're getting on with space wise. We're doing okay. Right, little light. Always good to have a little bit of light. One of these little thin lights. You can also have an on switch, keeps it on all the time, or simply just press on it like that. They're handy as well. Little light in there. Okay. Right. Little compass. Always handy, good to have a compass. Give you general direction. They're not the best of compasses. I do have one on my watch here as well, and I do also have another one in my kit. Right, little fire kit here as well. Some stormproof matches, and just a few strike anywhere matches. I do have a few of these left. You can't get them anywhere now, so they're very rare. Got like gold dust. Anyway, got a few matches in there that'll get a fire going. Right, we're getting there. Let's see. Get the pencil in here, and let me just seal down the two blades on the top of the lid there. And what I was going to do actually is pop another needle in here, because I've just got one in here, so I was thinking one is none, but two is one, one is none, so I stuck a spare one in there. I've got a spare blade in there as well. Right, moving on, put the file in there. What we got left? We've got the old commando wire. Fantastic bit of kit, cut through small branches, bone. You can actually make a little snare wire, and the reason why I've got a snare wire in this kit is I can use this. Very handy for making little snare traps. Anyway, so we've got a little wire in there as well. Now, how are we doing for space? We're doing quite well. Now, the reason why I've got all this cotton wool here, obviously good for use for tinder, stuff like that. Now you can sort of strategically whack that in the tin, and hopefully when you seal it closed, it doesn't rattle all over the place and make loads of noise. Now, as you're making a video, it always happens that when you're on video, something happens that you didn't want to happen, like my fingers getting caught on this tape now. Anyway, actually that worked out quite well. It sealed very well. Didn't really have to force it down much. So now, last but not least, around the edges, you've got this electrical tape, and that basically, along with the inside, is a little seal on the top of the lid. This will make it a little bit more waterproof. Now, let's see how we go while on film. Always happens, something happens when you're filming, but hopefully I'll do it, God willing, and it'll be okay. So there you go, you're sort of sealing the seal, making it waterproof. Okay, wrap it round nicely, and you could also use this electrical tape for other uses as well. Okay, so there you have it. You can put Ranger bands around the outside. I do have my other piece BCB tin right here, but I'm going to do that soon. That's coming soon. That's got also another load of stuff in there. Fantastic bit of kit there. Right, so this is my personal survival kit, SAS survival tin. There's many like it, but this is mine, okay? And if you see it lying around, please don't try and touch it, because CJ will be there. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. For those who are here this far, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell. But yeah, you know, at a pickle, you lost all your stuff, you've got this in your pocket, it'll help you with a bit of fishing, some meds, some sterile wipes, sewing, repairing kit, all sorts of uses, water purification, and you know, nice bit of kit to have. So thanks for watching the video, guys and girls. Like I said, this one will be coming soon, so watch this space. God bless you all, be strong, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless you, Jesus loves you all. Take care, guys. Bye.